Hi everyone, this is Alex with LaserCapMe, and I wanted to tell you about a really great deal we've got going on for the Capillus 312 laser hair restoration device. Right now on LaserCapMe, we are offering the highest grade prescription grade laser cap created in the US for over $1,000 off the prices available on other sites. And these are other comparable sites, comparable clinics as well. If we go over to the Capillus website right here, you're going to see that the lower grade model, which is the 272, is being offered directly from Capillus for $2,999. So $3,000 for the lower grade model. If we go over to Hair Club, also known as Hair Club for Men previously, you'll see they actually do offer the 312. Their price is $3,499. If we go over to Bosley, another well-known clinic, they actually don't even offer the 312 at all. The 272 is the highest that they offer as well. So if you're looking for the prescription grade, your main choices are going to be Hair Club for $3,500 or LaserCapMe. On LaserCapMe right now, if we go to prices, you'll see that we have a comparable cost of $3,500. However, we're offering $1,000 off right now, and all you have to do is participate in our before and after study. Super easy to do. All you need to do is contact us. You can use this form right here. Feel free to give us a call as well, and we will tell you all about it. It's extremely easy to do, and you will save $1,000 on your Capillus 312. Again, that is the highest grade US-made LLLT device available, and you're going to be saving $1,000 off the prices of other places that offer this. It's not available on Amazon, not available on eBay, and yeah, if you're interested, please get a hold of us, and we will tell you how to save this money and how to start restoring your hair without surgical procedure.